Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, put it up. Yes, yo, oh God, yo.
Eddie, General,
I'm a pussy more I eat.
you just attempt to say you want to throw me out there, come in.
Eh? Cause sometimes I'm mad, you know, sometimes I head gone when me I drink up the whole heap of dirty liquor them, you know.
You never see me shoot any number last night for your show, but
Cause me tired like a dog.
how you sleep last night?
Eh?
How you sleep last night?
Me not sleeping on no clothes cause me I imagine your tongue in my pussy.
General,
Me I imagine your tongue in my pussy.
you know me not
So
like
me
when you move on the
me
live, though,
not
you
sleeping
move
on no
toxic,
clothes.
though.
When me I move taxi.
But then you come for your life, you argue with people.
You know I hear that wish for your day. You come eat up my body pussy, yes or no?
Yes, when, how can I do a
In
drink
our
off
time,
you?
we don't want meet up 3 o'clock. Come on, go for my head and get my pussy eat, you know. You can eat it, sir. Eh?
General, sir.
Eh? You can eat it, sir.
You may send the babes from last night, you load
And
up
then
with
that me
him.
ask you, me say you can eat it, sir. Yes
Yeah.
or no? Because if you do bad by eating, we cannot link up. Right?
And I don't tell us how I can eat a pussy already from last night. Yeah, do you think so?
But me not shave, and me not want shave. Me have a shave for you eat it. Me not understand it. Hmm?
Yeah, me like when the pussy clean.
But suppose you eat it, I'm a poop. Suppose I eat my body pussy and my poop. You not think about that? Cause when it nice, me I'll poop too, you know.
Don't tell you already, you know, say I forgot douche, you know, that already from last night, you know.
Come my side, party within a ranking, begging or something. But me want fuck you too. So me have to teach you for douche too. Cause me want sink my cocky in your belly too.
Don't tell you already, you know, babes, I don't know if take fuck, you know.
But you have to learn. Just like how you learn for suck body pussy. You have to learn, my love. What you think about that?
And think about it, man, is it?
And you say you not so good.
No, I'm not so good. Can't suck my old door.
Yeah, but you have to suck mine too, cause me I want fucking in your mouth too. And when you suck my pussy from back way, me I want you draw the balls from back way too.
Yeah, give me a whole heap of extra work for doing, you know.
Yeah, what do you mean a whole heap of extra work?
Don't tell you
Another
already
first
say,
thing,
when we get
another
for
first
know
thing,
you.
yeah,
Don't tell
suck
you
body
already when we
pussy.
get for know you and then we can do
And
all
the
of them
first yeah,
things.
suck body pussy is the fucking is the first you sucking body pussy.
No, me don't tell you that already.
Exactly. So where you say I'm here say you suck it 2 times already, right?
Yeah.
And you say one clean and you say one in sink and shit. No.
Yeah, baby, now go back over them things upon the life. You don't know the things that already. So we just say we can link up today or when.
Acrobat, thank you, baby.
Yes, so today we can link
Well,
up.
want link up, but me like when my pussy suck, I just feel like I can't suck body pussy good. I just feel like I can't suck body pussy good. And that me afraid about. Cause me no want for the get a suck off of my pussy, I use the teeth crepe my body pussy. But easy to forget ignorant.
Yeah, man, send the babes. You have to just make me try out the thing and see how it work.
I know, so you try, cause you can try one time and then something wrong don't happen. So you have to know how to skin out the body pussy early and use your tongue and do the do.
So we can't talk about
If
them
you
things
can't do
because
it, talk, it can't work. The relationship cannot work. Want to all split all by your tongue, so. Want split all by your tongue, so. And just a boom, so. You ever get that yet?
yes, you gotta try everything with me, but like I tell you, I will take it off of the media, man. You can't talk over the phone.
No, me like hear first before we take it over the phone. Come now and a man bring me where they do me now.
Mm.
So we say you will try to take the wood too, right?
Yeah, man, so me talk about that off of the phone,
No,
man.
me have to know everything. Let me you can meet up 4 o'clock then. You will try to take it wood too.
You try all of that, man, because I'm done to
Alright,
this. I
but you have to
really
get
like
a
them.
buckle like this, full it up of water, skin out your body, and squeeze it in there. If you have no hose, screw on the hose in your pipe, and turn on the pipe and turn the hose up in your body hole, and full up your belly, and then go over the tile. Go and let it out. Can you see if you not do that? You just shit my body. I mean, I want to stab you in your blood clot, you know, because I don't like when people shit my body, you know. I don't want to stab you up. Me not like that. You have a well protective because me not like smell them the shit there.
Yeah,
Oh, and
what
that's
kind
what
of
me not
talk
fuck
that? What
straight
kind of
man, you know.
talk that? What kind
That's
of
why me
talk
not
that?
fuck straight man. Yes, cause me have to tell you the truth. Come now when you come and then you just shit my body and then me are ignorant. Just like how you tell me say the girl never beard or she stink of shit. And when you start eat her pussy you never like it. And that you tell me, you know. Say the
Yeah,
body
but
girl stink of shit, you know, when they start, you know, you have to tell her, say, yo, you can't bother with that, right?
yeah, but now go do them things, baby. Don't tell her already.
Okay. So that means, I better you make me do the douching for you.
You have to
Like,
teach
show
me
you.
that, you know, 'cause I
Oh,
never do them things there before, you know.
and you never suck wood, no wood before?
No,
Eh? You
no,
know, you
baby.
want to try that with me, and you never suck no wood before. What about me?
It gonna be the first time you gonna teach me, you know.
Mm.
Don't tell us
You
I'm
never
like
suck
you
no
like
wood
that, you know.
before. You like me like that, so how much word up on TikTok? Come here, read.
Me no know. You have to tell me about them, me no know.
Then who teach you for suck body pussy? Who teach you? Cause me just feel like you can't suck body pussy good enough. Who teach you? Hmm?
Don't tell you all of that. Don't tell you
Me
all of
just
that
feel like
from
you
last
can't
time.
suck body pussy good. Who teach you?
Just give me a
You
try,
get paid the
maybe.
first time? You get paid the first time or you just do it cause you want to do it?
Tell us me get paid the first time, though.
Oh, $20,000, right.
Yeah.
And you just want to eat my pussy, so right.
I don't tell you already once supposed to clean we eat it for you.
But suppose me have a bump in my pussy. How it work? Suppose me have a bleeding
Last
in my
night, you
pussy.
tell me about that bump, you know. Can't deal with
Yes,
it.
and that me I tell you, suppose me have a bleeding in my pussy. How it work?
So you get the bump there.
Yes, and that me I tell you, suppose me have a bump in my pussy. How it work? Do we eat it same way?
Yeah, be. Oh, I forgot doctor and go check out them thing there, is it?
I just feel like I can't suck pussy good because me like when the tongue ram in my body pussy, you know. Me just feel say I can't suck blood clot pussy good. I just that are my problem. That's why I'm not sending my number now, you know. Cause
Yeah,
my
man,
mind
so
just
no
tell me
be.
say you
You have
just
to just
want to
give me a
try.
try. You have to just try, maybe
Cause
you
me that put
can't
you for
tell
lie
me.
down. And when you lie down, me just said so. and just a boom in your blood clot mouth. Somebody ever did that before? Eh?
No, no, baby.
Just you just lie down. I'm just a boom in your mouth, so. A boom like a ball. You think about that? You ever think about that yet? How long you watch me? Can you say you watch
Say,
me a dance?
me
How long
done
you
tell you
watch me?
already.
Eh? Thank you for yours, baby. How long you watch me? Acrobat, thank you. Eh?
Done tell you
How long you
already, you
watch
know.
me? What turn you on make you reach over
Me hear talk
here?
about
Eh?
all of that from last night, you
No,
see.
I am asking you because me not like private business, my love. Me like deal with it and then we make the phone call and then nobody know what I want. What turn you on? Where you see? Me a dance, what turn you on? A whole heap of blood clot look good girl left on this thing, you know, look good body girl, you know. So what turn you on now? Why you like? Where
Don't
you
tell you
see?
something like a tattoo them, you know.
Oh, you like my tattoo them, okay.
Yeah, I love seeing you dance.
Oh, you love seeing me a dance. Oh. So you back your feet and him something that went me a dance? Or the boy just get that. But me can't imagine, cause me have a
Boy,
10 and a
just
half
get
and you
stiff
have
up
a 9
his
and
heat.
a half. How that work? Me have a 10 and a half and you have a 9 and a half. How that work?
And me I go
Where
fuck
want
you,
me to
be.
dress like woman or you want me to meet up stuff? Or you want
Me
me
I
to
go
dress
fuck
up?
you, you be.
You want me dress up in my G string and my skirt and excitement? Or you know want me dress up? Tell me, make me know.
And me I go fuck you, you be. Look on that.
No, move it, move it, move it, move it. With the blood clot. What is it I'm supposed to do, Father God? You can't do that. With the
She
blood
may say
clot.
big.
You can't do that. With the blood clot. You can't do that. Over there, in your underpants.
Yeah.
When you kill listen to people, when you could tell him say him can't do that. When you could tell him say him can't do that. When you could tell him say him can't do that. But me not see your tongue. You should have shown me your tongue. Let me see how long your tongue is.
Can't do them things up on the live beam. I don't tell you so when you call me, may we talk over the phone.
Oh. They know you show me boy a while ago. Are the boy that stiff up?
Yeah.
Mm?
Don't tell you say big already, you know. When it stand up, you know, about 10 and a half, you know. Can't manage it.
With the blood clot. You could tell him say him could do that. Eh? You could tell him say him can't do that. To the way you love wood, you could even tell him say, no, don't show your wood. You could tell him say him could show him wood a while ago. Hmm? Come every reason. 1, 2 money gun, come every reason.
So more you suck on mood for me.
Who me? Hmm? With the blood clot this. Near I go on TikTok. When man a say to me, hmm? How long you a batty man now?
We even share them story there again. Me don't tell you already. May we talk on
No,
the
me
phone.
ask you how long you a batty man? 5 months, 1 year, what? Sure, thank you, baby. Hmm?
Don't tell you some just start with them things to be.
Me never see about the boy again. Just put it on it quick and move it. Never see about the boy again.
John
Just
will
put it
be.
quick and just move it. Let me see about the boy again.
Stand up, you know. Yeah, type thing and it hard.
Just turn it pan it and move it real quick. We have several page, you know, with the page. Blood clot. With the page. Right? Just turn it pan the underpants and move it. Oh, move it now. Move it now. How much that, people? Cause that look like I'm 13 in. How much that? How much that? No come my reason. That look like how much? Eh? That how much? That how much? Come every reason. That is how much. No dolly prank. That is how much. No dolly prank. That is how much. No dolly prank. Move it, don't make them see it. It can't go there again. That look like how much. No dolly prank. Thank you for that, baby. Two money gun. Can get two money gun, please, and thanks. 39 in the ranking now. Thank you, baby.
You know,
Crazy K, big up your damn self. Two
things
money
different.
gun. Come my side. This will look good. Two money gun. Him
Right
stand
now,
nine.
they're coming in your mouth.
Come in my mouth. We never get them there something there yet.
You don't know, we teach if you take coming in your mouth like how you want me to eat your pussy.
Oh, so you teach me. So you ever get coming in your mouth or you ever teach me? You ever get coming in your mouth?
You show you how it work.
Oh, so you say me show you and you show me.
You hear that what you say?
Where you say you show me and me show you.
Yeah. Teach me how to eat the pussy and I can't come in your face though.
Ever blessed, thank you. But my body pussy can't come out, I know, so what me have to do? Cause you don't want no shit touch you, right?
Oh, baby, I did it, man. What that?
No, me I say you don't want no shit touch you. And me I tell you, say when me I get my body pussy suck, sometimes me I'll fart to the way it nice.
Don't tell her already in a be. You go douche and everything in a be. So none of that now go on. You hear that?
I'm here to teach you for do too, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because I want to wind up that 10-inch. I want to fuck you back with my body, you know. Yeah, man. Want to fuck you back. A 10.5 me have, you know. And me not think
That
you're
top or
not 10.
bottom. Yeah, bottom
Me have
one.
verse, me give wood and take wood.
Love use my condom, you know.
Me give wood and take wood. You fuck me fuck you back. Me fuck you back. But me just afraid about my pussy, cause me don't want you suck my body pussy and make your teeth just scrape me, cause me easy to get ignorant.
John will be Lego them thing then a be.
Yes, because if you can't suck it good, adapt me I call you over.
Yeah, man, say I call him up on the phone and we talk about them things and call me. I don't really want to do this on the live, you know.
Alright.
Don't shoot to the thing already, you know.
Alright, thank you for that, Riri. Alright then. Me I imagine I sit down in your face, you know, God know. And you just eat my pussy, and you just lie down and me just have a boom in your mouth. Just a boom in your mouth, so what you think about that? One boom in your mouth, my love. One you suck my pussy, one skin out and get my pussy proper so.
And
Are
if
you
the
make me
pussy
a shave my pussy, you know, cause my pussy not shave it, you know, are you make me a shave it out? Me a
Well, if
shave
the
it.
pussy clean, Is it? Once the pussy
Me
fresh,
I
it
shave it.
hard
It
with the
clean,
smell
man,
and
but it
fresh.
just not shave. But me I shave it because of you. Because you say when it not shave, it have our when it not shave, what it do?
You smell good, it have a Francis, man.
Or it have a front it smell. Some of shave your body pussy. Well, him say for shave your body pussy. Me never plan for shave it, but him say when it not shave it have a molest. And that's true, you attack a whole heap of straight man, my fuck, and when I put
Yeah,
me
man,
on
them
around there
thing they smell
through them not
mustard, is
shave.
it?
So you shave your
No.
then you're not for the shave too, cause if me for the fuck your back, you're not for the shave. Thanks to that, baby. Hmm?
Yeah, me say now. You can't call me and send me a picture with it. Let me see what go on the front.
And then that me a talk, me say you're not for the shave too.
You do all of that when I see you, be.
Okay. Thank you for that, baby. Come my side, 39 on the ranking, 2 money gun. Keisha, thank you. 2 money gun on the ranking, 39 on the ranking, 2 money gun. You look like me that test out your mouth though. How long you fuck for?
For long, you know. How long you
Long
can fuck
like
for?
almost 30 minutes, 45 minutes, what?
All
You
2
must
hour.
be. Hmm?
2 hour.
2 hours you fuck for? Hmm?
Like fuck and come all 3 time.
Eh? Stop tell lie. You're too extra. But you are with it. You're too extra. Come now, people. Oh, a voting time, you know. Wanna say meet up with him or don't meet up with him? Meet up with her or don't meet up with her? Come. It's a prank. Wanna say meet up with him or don't meet up with him? Meet up with her or don't meet up with her? Meet up with him? Wanna say get my pussy eat to the hour. Talk to
I
me.
meet up, man. I'm tell man.
Get my pussy eat or get my pussy fuck? Which one? Talk to me. Wanna take charge of the comment now. Deal with them. Hear what them I say. Them I say no. Them say them don't trust you. Ask them why. Hmm?
Yeah, me say now. Yeah, make them people and make you get your pussy eat.
And that me I say cause them can't eat my pussy and you have to eat it. But me have to hear what them I say too. Cause you know some of them like me and them don't know if it's a prank.
Yeah, me say now.
And somebody tell me say you is destiny brother.
Who named Destiny?
And that somebody tell me, say a destiny brother.
Who named Destiny?
How long you dey on TikTok?
They on TikTok from 2020.
Oh, from 2020, and you don't know who named Destiny? Somebody said Destiny brother this.
Me don't know who named Destiny. Yeah, me say now, me don't really
Gonna say
follow up them
Destiny
people
brother,
this thing,
though.
you know.
Pull up the comment now. No Destiny brother. Wanna talk to
Me
me.
don't know
People
who
them a
you're
talk to
talking to
me.
be. Me don't
Hmm?
know who that. Me don't know who you're talking to be. Me don't tell yourself on Instagram, me see a picture and thing, is it?
Who saw Destiny brother? Somebody saw Destiny brother. Comment.
Who named Destiny? The man or woman?
Eh? One dirty batty boy. As long as they can suck pussy, me with a
Destiny.
chance. Yeah?
Alright now we feel like a destiny. I don't want no girl come cross go sit up because of dirt, you know.
And that me I say. I mean I want my
Something
pussy get
different
sucked
here.
for you. I just
Yeah,
start.
me say no be. Me
Me
no
don't
Video
want
want
my
call
one
her
pussy.
name.
something first and say straight. You want to know what? A matter of fact, you not link up with nobody. Make him link up. Clean up the place, nice up the place, fresh it up and nice it up and tell him to come over. Yeah.
But remember, I catch we catch, so we'd have to go hotel or somewhere.
No man,
Cause
but
when
make
we are
him come
catching,
first. Make him come so you can know him real, you know? Yeah, they want to make sure so him real.
come on, my pussy get sucked for Trina auntie.
Time voice kind of sound fake. Him sound like him a post it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, she have forcing.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
son of B. Show to look more, cause I can't bother with the bag of
Yes,
talking, you
yes, so
see?
make him meet up with you. Come at your
Eh?
place. Not trust
Too
him.
much
Yes, am I
talking you
you?
Don't
going right,
trust
you
him.
say, is it?
Hmm? Bree, thank you. Wagwan, baby. Baby Bree, wagwan. You alright, that girl? Thank you. Bree is in the fucking building. Thank you, auntie. Come my side. We need for God 38. Help Bree. My youth, you wanna? Drop your number because I want my pussy get eat. Alright?
Yeah, yeah, me say no. Can't deal with them bag of real woman over here, say no. Is it?
Why? Cause I
Man,
not
too
eat.
much, you say, man, them people just talk too much, is
Alright,
it?
thank you for that, Bree. Begging a two money gun, no two money gun, please and thanks. I rank three now. Two money gun, please and thanks. Bree, big up your damn self. He's in the fucking building. Me no know about them like tell me Ushman for taking her, so them stay. Them like tell me who should for taking her. Eh?
Yeah, man, say me I show to your picture, is it? Make you go and look on the boy, you see me?
Eh? Me just want to teach you for take fuck too. I mean, I want you shit my body. I just that my problem. I want to teach you how to take fuck. To stink body in your cocky. Yeah, man, for stink body in your body. I want to learn you how to take fuck. Skin out your body hole and go over here and ram my cocky in there. Yeah, man, want to dig up your body hole in some cocky in there. What you think about that? Want to fuck you like a ass. Come take long for come to, about 45 minutes.
Yeah, man, son of B.
Alright, turn it on the boy again and then move it and then go on boy your business. And then drop your number. Don't make it stay long.
I feel more, you feel cocky in your whole ease, you know?
May we see it again. Just turn it on the underpants and move it again. We have several page. We have several page. Turn it
Make
on the
I do
boy.
the thing, so.
Yeah, come once the boy come my body pussy a jump. Right now my body pussy a leak. Everybody follow Shar. Everybody click on Shar and give Shar a follow. Everybody follow Shar now. When everybody follow Shar, me start dance. Alright. Move it now. That big door, move it. Alright. That big door. Everybody follow Shar now. Give Shar a follow. Follow Shar now. I want my big gifter to follow Shar now. Give her a follow. Everybody give Shar a follow so we can go over to some dancing moments. Give Shar a follow. No. Click on Shar and give her a follow. Please and thanks. Well, we have put her to 1,000 followers. Click on her and give her a follow. If we don't do it, no vibes is not there. We're going to catch a vibes is one of my big gifters too. Click on her and give her a follow. Please and thanks. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, blood clot noon. You know hear what me say? Give her a follow, me we catch her vibes. Alright, give her a follow, give her some follow, please and thanks. Sure, she's in the comment. Give her a follow now. Click on her and give her a follow. So we can start dance back. We can't have the whole day do this, entertainment do this, Give her a follow. Click on her and give her a follow. Just put her to 1,000 followers. She's a shy girl. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
What
man,
not say
so me I
now?
make you
Talk
go and
to me.
enjoy yourself with the people, them, you see me? And me just shoot your picture on the app.
Okay. One naked.
Yeah, man, make you go and look.
Okay. Thank you for that, baby. Widow. Alright,
Man, big up
then.
your title, look on what.
Alright, I'm going to big up your stiff tongue, yeah. Can't wait for you to eat my body pussy. Yeah.